Alright guys, what's going on? Today, working on the Focus. Actually, not today. A couple days ago, we installed AeroFlow Dynamics Canards. Canards are cool, they're not functional, but we'll get more into that in a little bit. So, let's get started. I've already installed the rubber lining for one.
I know.
And so this is the liner, rubber lining for the other one that we're going to install. Car's a little bit dirty, but this line, this body line right here, is the line that we're gonna base our mounting points off of, and we're gonna go right there. Well, just like that. That'll be perfect. We could do like this, like this, like this. No, I'm just kidding. But we want to go definitely off that line. And so we're gonna tape it up here and then mark the spots where we're gonna have to drill a hole. AeroFlow Dynamics Canards have been installed. Although, I will say this, they are aesthetic only. They don't do much. They don't have a whole lot of support. So what I ended up doing was taking a larger bolt, drilling it in onto where there's a weaker spot, so that when air comes and hits now, as you can see, it's actually stiff. But I did have, and it's not so much there, but it is here, here, and here for adding that extra bolt. And then here, here, and here, and a little flimsy, but they don't look bad. How much they'll actually help, no one really knows.